In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 0x800735. The network path was not found on Windows 11, so this should be a quick and easy process video. Now all you have to do is to go ahead to your search menu, and then after that just go ahead, type regedit. As you can see right now, then go ahead, click on Run as Administrator, and give it a couple of moments to open up for you. So just wait for the registry editor window to open up for you. And how after that, there will be a couple of commands in the description below. So go ahead, copy the first one, which will be available in the description below, and then replace it with this at the top, as you can see. Now go ahead, replace it, hit enter, and now you should be all good to go. After that, just go to the right side and then right click, go to new, then click on the word 32-bit value. And now after you have done that, just go ahead, type in the name that would be available in the description below. Make sure the value is on 1, then go ahead, rename it, then give it the name that was in the description below. So this was an easy and quick prices video. After you have done all of that, for changes to check place, just restart your computer and check if the problem still presents. Or you can check the ncpa.p file, because I don't have it on this computer, and then check if that will fix the problem as well.